Meaning of high point.
High point.
High point.
High point.
High point. The term high point generally refers to the highest or most noteworthy moment or achievement of a particular event or situation. It can also be used to describe a peak or summit in elevation, or a point of maximum intensity or success. In essence, a high point is the pinnacle or climax of something that has occurred or is ongoing. Such moments can be incredibly memorable and impactful, leaving a lasting impression on those who experience them. Ultimately, a high point represents a significant achievement or accomplishment that stands out from all other aspects of a given scenario.